Hello guys, I bought a 2-in-1 portable vacuum cleaner and I recently got this down. I saw an advertisement on Facebook and ordered it and see how it works. I already unpacked it. I just show you how it looks like. And this design was really nice and very compact. This is how it looks like. I already charged this for it to charge this to show you how it works. And I found this unit. I think it has inbuilt battery in it, and there is a charger, C cable, C port, and two adapters, this one and one with a brush. And this is the dust collector. It's very simple and unique design. It's new to the market, and as usual they have given a user manual. We don't need them. And to clean this they have given pull a small plastic. You can just grab it and remove this, and it's very simple, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, this is the face adapter. I removed the dust collector here. There is a small piece here just to put the finger in and pull this out. You have to put this straight to lock the dust collector. When you take it out, just pull. There's a plastic here, just pull it and put it back. That's it. It's very simple unit. And then there is a lock here, it's shown here. So it's quite tight. And that's it. And this is one of the adapter. Just slide it in. That's it. The other one goes on top of this with a brush. Okay. A total length of it, or you can just clean it even without putting this adapter. It's quite tight. I think this has to come down. That's it. Let's see how it works. This is my carpet. I just took it out from my car, and let's see how it works. If you take this distance,
it doesn't work. If you touch it on top of it, it works a little. It doesn't even pull. There are some biscuit crumbs. Let's see how we can clean this up. With this a little distance, it doesn't work. There are dusts and sands inside this mesh. Let's see whether we can grab, whether it pulls through this brush or without brush. Doesn't work. Okay. It doesn't pull the dust inside from inside the carpet, but when you keep it literally on top of it and just keep it for a few seconds, then it works. But it's very time consuming, unlike the other car powered vacuum cleaner. This doesn't work like that. You have to be literally on top of the dust to
Okay, let's see how much dust this has collected so far. And this seems quite tight. This is clean and nice. And to pull it from here, use the dust collector. These are the dust. What they say is this dust collector is washable. You can just wash it and keep it on sun to dry. So far it has collected very soft sands and biscuit crumbs, things like that. Those are like very soft stuff, but other than that it's not as heavy as the other regular car vacuum cleaners. Normal car vacuum cleaners even pulls lot of dust, and that's quite powerful. As they say, they have advertised this as one of the powerfulest vacuum cleaners, but it's not powerful as I thought. It's just okay. I rate this gadget out of 10 around 3, somewhere in the middle. So I recommend you to not to buy this. Even though it has collected dust, it's not powerful enough. You have to literally keep it on top of the dust and push it to extract all of it. Other than that, it doesn't pull. Even at this distance, it doesn't work. It has to be literally on top of this dust, otherwise it doesn't work. Let's test it again on this dust. So guys, to conclude this video, I have seen this advertisement, like when they use this vacuum cleaner, it just pulls water like nothing. And then I ordered it. Once I got the product, it says it's 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. But there are another type, it almost looks the same, it says 3-in-1. And I have seen on the video again, it looks something, it's have a positive impact on it. But the one which I have got, it's 2-in-1. It's not worth at all for the money. It's cheaper, yeah, but still again it's not doing its job. So guys, before you buy one of those, you literally go and check it and buy the product. And make sure you subscribe my video and like, give me a support. Thank you. Have a good day.